After solve first layer, so you should hold cube like this. So your solve layer should be on the bottom and unsolved layer on the top. So to solving second layer, you should follow two steps, either one, either this algorithm. So I am just following this algorithm first. So look at this. You can match like this. So orange should be over here, then after solving, and green should be on here. So you should apply this formula. So upper clockwise are upward, upper anti-clockwise are downward, upper anti-clockwise, front anti-clockwise, upper clockwise and front clockwise. So you will get solve over here. Find second. So same like this. So again same algorithm. Upper clockwise are upward, upper anti-clockwise are downward, upper anti-clockwise, front anti-clockwise, upper clockwise and front clockwise. You will get solved. Now just only one remaining. So like you can use for the second formula for this. So formula is like upper clockwise, left upward, upper anti-clockwise, then left downward, then upper clockwise, front clockwise, upper anti-clockwise and front clockwise. So your second layer should get solved.